Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for CMSSuperheroes and our Drupal version of our ME template. Now this tutorial is just going to show you guys how to install the demo version of the template that we've created for you. So I'm going to go right ahead here. So you can see that the theme here I've got in my browser just running on our demo server. So I'm going to create this on a local install now. So the first thing that I need to do is create my database. So you can see here I've got MAMP running. You might be using WAMP on a PC. So within MAMP here, I'm going to create a new database, and I'm just going to call this I'm just going to call it Drupal demo underscore me. So if we create that there, so we've got our database created. Now if I go to the into that database, you can see here with no tables in there at the moment. So I'm going to unpackage the zip file that you guys will get from the from Theme Forest. So just unzip that there, and then once we get that unzip file, if I open that up for you, let's just position it here so you guys can see it. So we've got all the different folders in here. Now the first thing that I want to do is I want to install the database. So if I go to the extra folder, and you'll see in here we've got the database.zip. So I'm just going to, let's just go to the import tab on the database. So if I click on that, and then we go and get the database zip, and we're just dropping that on there. We've just browsed it, dropped it in there so we can browse to upload that. So click go, and we wait for that database to install itself into MAMP. Okay, so you can see now that that database is fully installed. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to put our demo folder, which is this one here, and all the files within that folder, we need to put that into our root directory so that we can load the template, the theme within MAMP. So what I'll do here is I'm just going to open up another window. I'll just reduce this down again so we can try and keep everything within the screen. And then the local, this is where MAMP is the root directory for this install. So you can see in here that I've already created a folder called Drupal me, and in there that folder is currently empty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all the files. So again, I'll just show you this here. This is our folder from Theme Forest. I'm going into the demo folder, and I'm getting all the files in this folder, and I'm actually copying them into the root folder where MAMP is looking for this demo of the Drupal me theme. So what I'm going to do now, just to show you guys what's happening, is if I get a new browser window open, and I'm actually going to navigate the URL to Drupal underscore me, and then we'll go here and we'll get an error because we know that it can't connect to the database. So we'll just wait for this error to pop up just so I can show you what's happening. So you can see here we've got an error now because it can't actually find the database because we need to change the settings for the database. So what I'm going to do here is, if I just show you where we are, so this is the root folder for this install. So Drupal me, we need to go into the sites folder, into the default folder, and then we need to change the settings file here so that the database has got the correct settings for this demo. So if I open up the settings file, so I'll just reduce this window here. So then if we scroll down and we get to the area that we're looking for, you can see here there's the default values for the database name, the username, the password, and the host. Now I'm going to change these to what I need it to be. So what I'll do is I'll just go to my MAMP install. I'll just go here. So the database is called Drupal underscore demo underscore me. So I just need to actually add in here underscore demo, and then I'm going to change this username and password. So I'm just going to blank this out so you guys can't see what I'm changing it to, and then change the password and the same again. So we'll change that there, and then we save that file. So then if we close that, and then if we navigate to the front end and then we refresh the browser page, you see here now that the site has loaded for us. So we've got the exact same copy of what you guys can see on our demo site, apart from the images, because we can only use those for design purposes on the demo. So you can see here we can navigate around and everything's installed. So that's to show you guys how to set up the demo And now you can log into the back end of this website. So to log into the back end, it's just if we just put user after the URL, which is the normal default for Drupal, and then the username and password to log into this demo is admin, and then you guys can now start editing this theme, getting into the different blocks and the content and editing this template so that it works for you guys. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we're more than happy to help you. Thank you.